less than 5 minutes, it will officially be Thursday. And Betsy says it's going to be a foggy Thursday.
It is foggy Wednesday night, too.
Yes. That's right.
Trying to think back where we are in the whole week. We get these late nights and things get a little wackadoodle. But anyway.
Went British on us there for a minute, too. Foggy.
Mr. Foggy. Pip, pip. Let's see. Slap happy. Let's go. Take a look at what's happening. Very foggy to start the morning commute. We do have dense fog advisories west of us. That does include Toledo. So if you have travel plans westbound on 80, just be advised of that. Temperatures in the 40s. Rain then likely with rumbles back in the forecast for tomorrow evening, but temperatures are going to be in the 50s. Here's a look at the radar now. It is clear despite the idea that we've had rain showers and we still have some patchy drizzle out there. There's where the fog advisories are west of Sandusky, so that'd be our friends in Seneca and Sandusky counties, and then points farther west from there as well. But here's where our current visibilities stand. It's kind of all over the place. 9-mile visibility in downtown Cleveland, 3-mile visibility in Ashtabula. But you go farther south, that's where we have a lot more moisture that's hanging around. Temperatures or visibilities are at about a 1/4 mile or less in some locations. And at times we could even see visibilities getting below a 1/4 mile, even an 1/8 mile. So a dense fog advisory not likely for us unless we really start to see these visibilities going down. The National Weather Service is going to keep an eye on that for tonight. Holly may be updating you on all of that to start you off in the morning. Of course, they're starting at 4:30. But you can see our visibilities in the morning could be near 0 in some locations. So definitely get up a little early, plan a couple extra minutes just in case, because the morning commute could be slowed, but I don't think it will be rainy per se. By noon, the fog should be lifting out, breaking up a little bit. That is the good news. We have just a ton of moisture that's sitting over the eastern half of the country right now, and there's more to come. Next week is looking very soggy too. The bulk of today's rain showers now out to the east of us, but we have another wave that will move in as we head through the afternoon tomorrow. That's going to bring another round, as I mentioned before, of the rain chances and even some rumbles of thunder. 7 a.m. temperatures flirting with 50. Not too shabby. A few isolated showers will be around, but keep in mind we may not be able to see anything because the fog will be fogging us in. But by noon, we should see those temperatures sneaking into the low and mid 50s across most of northern Ohio. And notice that we do pick up better rain chances. Watch what happens, though, later in the day. We really start to see some of these brighter colors coming in. A couple rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. But look at the temperatures. 59 in Dover at 4 p.m. That is impressive for February standards. And as we go through the overnight hours tomorrow night, changes will be coming in. We'll stay on the mild side through 6 p.m., but later in the evening, look what happens by 1 a.m. 36 Sandusky, 56 in Dover. There's a cold front coming through, and that cold front by Friday morning, stirring up snow showers. It's painful, isn't it? Northeast Ohio this time of the year. And look at 1 p.m. temperatures. We're back into the 20s. So a little springtime flirtation. That's what we're going to call it. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast has that rain likely with fog to start the day. The rain will be more likely later in the day. Check out mixed to snow on Friday as temperatures fall. We do have a chance for some snow south of Greater Cleveland on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that one. That's going to be the East Coast snow potential that's setting up for New York. You'll start hearing about that in the next couple of days. 40s and partly cloudy on Sunday, and then look at this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures in the 50s with rain, and the rain could get a little aggressive, and this is what we're talking about as far as heavy rain potential. Over the next 7 days, you can see all these bright colors starting to show up. This is kind of pointing out to us that we could end up with about 4 to 5 inches of rain across northern Ohio in the next 7 days. It's a nice long time, but definitely that could cause a lot of puddles to be hanging around.